Someone said to me right at the beginning of the pandemic, it's almost as though Mother Nature has sent us to our rooms for bad behavior, to really take a moment and think about what we've done. It certainly reminded me, as it has probably reminded all of us, how interconnected we all are.
Listen, did you hear that? I heard duck sounds. That's funny. I distinctly heard rabbit sounds.
I've always believed that hopefully we can leave the world in a better place than when we found it. So I think we really need to take a moment and think, well, how do we get what we need and have our desire fulfilled without taking from our children and generations to come?